The And Just Like That premiere was date night for Chris Noth and Tara Wilson. The two packed on the PDA on the red carpet. Chris Noth and his wife, Tara Wilson, looked so in love while walking the red carpet at the premiere of his show, And Just Like That, in New York City on December 8. The two shared a kiss for the cameras as they posed for photos at the event. Tara looked stunning in her plunging red mini dress and silver shoes, while Chris was handsome in a blue suit. And Just Like That is the Sex and the City reboot, which premiered on HBO Max on December 9. Chris reprises his role as Mr. Big in the series, but, spoiler alert, he doesn't last long in the new show. Sadly, Mr. Big dies of a heart attack at the very end of the first episode, leaving his wife, Carrie Bradshaw, Sarah Jessica Parker, grieving. In real life, though, Chris looked happy and healthy as he shared the special premiere evening with his wife. Chris and Tara have been together since the early 2000s, and had a son, Orion, in 2008. They tied the knot in April 2012 after more than a decade together, and their second son, Keats, was born in February 2020. Related gallery. And Just Like That photos, SJP and Chris Noth reunite for carriage scene in NYC. The And Just Like That premiere was a star-studded affair, with SJP and the rest of the cast also in attendance. Sarah brought her husband, Matthew Broderick, and oldest son, James, 20, to the event. Of course, Kim Cattrall was missing from the premiere, as she decided not to return to reprise her character of Samantha Jones in the revival series. The show's first episode explained Samantha's absence, revealing that she dropped Carrie as a friend when Carrie told her she no longer needed her as a publicist. Samantha moved to London after the falling out and stopped keeping in touch with Carrie, Miranda, Cynthia Nixon, and Charlotte, Kristen Davis. The ladies seem to be doing just fine without her, though, and it's like they haven't missed a beat. The first two episodes of And Just Like That are streaming on HBO Max.